Hi guys, good day. So sa ngayon guys, nandito kami sa Melbourne International Airport. Melbourne Airport. Pauwi na kami guys ng asawa ko sa Pilipinas, no? So masasabi ko lang dito sa Australia for more than 2 weeks of vacation. Napakaganda po ng lugar. We have a great time with my family and friends, no? So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood during my stay here in Australia. Nag-upload ako ng mga video. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. And then, masasabi ko lang for word of encouragement to everyone, kung may mga dreams kayo sa buhay, go for it. You have to sacrifice something in order to gain. Failures is a part of the success, guys, no? Wala naman success na walang failure, no? So, yun lang po guys, no? Thank you. Ano, kung saan dyan?